to video number this many. We've made this many videos.
Wow, that's an impressive number.
Today we will be going over 12 essential items in van lifing, and these are essential to our van life. Every van lifer, van lifing will differ. We're going to cut straight to it because it turns out no one really likes the, what would you call that? Boring monologue before the video. Yeah, let's go with that.
A quick dry towel. We cannot stress how much these have come in handy while living in a van.
Because you don't have a washer and dryer on hand inside the van, you need things to dry quickly after they become wet. So, quick, dry towel. It explains itself and why it's important. Item number 2, which I'm now realizing I left in the garage. 1 second.
He always does this.
Is a shovel.
Ooh.
Ah.
A fancy shovel.
Alright, so this little guy has gotten us out of some crappy situations. For real though, we found ourselves using this not just to dig a latrine, but also to get us from being stuck or making sure our fires were fully out. This shovel has came in handy many a times. And it packs up into this cute little pouch. Item number 3, our food scraper.
Ooh, that little guy, where is he? This little thing right here.
Saves lives. Get it close up. Pretty simple. Harder edge on this side and a softer edge on this side. Why do we need this, Mallory?
This little, whoa, it's gonna be fun finding that later. That little guy has come in great use when you're doing dishes because you don't have a dishwasher in here.
Turns out.
Really helpful for getting off all of the food before rinsing it. Great for making sure that you can scrape off all the food into the trash so that it doesn't go down the sink.
Nailed it.
Next item up. A swivel seat.
And we don't mean this seat. We mean the mechanics. The ceiling's getting lower. We mean the mechanics underneath the seat. So let us just show you real quick.
Believe it or not, the Ford Transit does not come with seats that do this.
We actually had to install this, which, little plug right here to that video, and the link somewhere down below for the actual product to the swivel seat as well. But this thing has been a game changer because, I mean, it's another seat. Do I need to say more?
It really does come in handy for when you have, honestly, anyone else besides just us two in the van. It creates another sitting space, makes it feel nice and spacious.
And we're going to keep that like that for the rest of the video because I don't feel like turning it back around. Next item.
I'm just going to go ahead and get this one out for you guys.
I mean, we've gotten all the items out, but she's just going to...
Ta-da!
That's right. Baby wipes, a van lifer's shower, some might call it.
Yes, although we do shower at Planet Fitness, there are just certain days that baby wipes come in real handy. We are going to venture back up to the front of the cab for 2 more items.
Lumbar support. This thing...
This makes us look like we're like, well, I won't put an age, but...
Old. Super old. But honestly, you do so many hours of driving. Specifically, the driver, I think, needs this because you have to be alert and your posture has to be everything. I mean, whoever's in this chair can just... What? You know I'm right. Lumbar support. You need it.
Oh.
Did it move?
Yep.
You sure it moved? We're back.
Okay, I'll grab the next item. Your handy dandy phone holder.
Again, these may be just things that you might not think of, but so important. We use this every single day. Obviously, get the phone holder that works best for your van. We have the one...
Goes in the CD input.
CD input player.
That thing, you know?
No
one uses CDs
Yeah, no one
anymore.
uses CDs anymore. So, phone holder. Essential.
You know what else is another essential item?
Tell me, Mallory.
Our Omnia Oven. this we actually just recently got, and again, this is essential for us because we don't have an oven in our van, so this replaces it. We have made brownies, roasted potatoes, tons of good stuff in this thing. So if you're deciding that in your van build you're not going to put an oven in, highly recommend one of these. It's really incredible.
And we're also going to keep that right there because I don't feel like putting it away. Another essential item.
You gave me yours.
It's okay.
It's too big.
No, it's not working. Headlamps. Did yours work? Mine's on. Headlamps are super important because, you know, you never know what's going to happen outside the van at night, and you can't just flick on a light switch to the outdoors. So, headlamps. All right, there are only 3 more items left. Mallory, you want to?
Oh, yes. This is a bit of an oddball one, but Wrinkle Releaser.
I think we actually got that in our stockings before we left.
So it was something we didn't even know we needed. It works great because, again, no laundry machine in here.
I don't know how the chemistry works behind that, but it does. So, Wrinkle Releaser was a must for us. All right, 2 more items, and they're both in the back. You can tell how well we planned for this video. This is real life, everyone.
Our water filter, which we probably should replace soon, but
we should have replaced a while ago. A lot of people when building out a van have a filter directly in line to their sink. We opted out not to. This RV water filter is great. You just put it directly in line with the hose.
So then all of the water that's going into our tank is filtered.
And it's only like $15 or something cheap like that. So, essential. Essential!
This is our last item, and I'd say we're most excited about this one.
It's also in the back, that's why. I gotta go get...
I will not be catching this one.
Mallory, what is this?
This is our Jackrabbit bike.
Jackrabbit electric bike.
E-bike.
This thing, I'm gonna put the specs up here, but I'm gonna take a guess as well. I think it's 22 pounds and goes about 20 miles an hour. You can get all kinds of accessories. If you want any of those accessories,
you can use our code.
Promo code on this page as well. Also, the link to this bike is below.
We really do love our Jackrabbits. We have 2 of them. They're really nice because, 1, they fit in our van.
So tiny.
And it's great for when you don't want to park in a big city with the van. You can just hop on your bikes. Again, they go 20 miles an hour and zip through town.
Jackrabbit bikes, essential. Okay.
Well,
that was a list. I think 12. Was it 12? A list of 12 items that we define as a necessity for van life.
Yes, and again, these are the 12 items that
were essential for
our van life. So, might be different for you.
Get your own items. Where are these items? How can people find them?
They will be in the description below.
Didn't even plan that. She just knew. She knew where they'd be. That's right. All of the items are below. You can check them out. You can buy them. Blah, blah, blah.
Yada, yada. If you are also doing van life, we would love to hear what your essential items are. So feel free to leave that in the comments below. Maybe there's something big we're missing out on. That
probably is.
Yeah.
All right. Subscribe, like this video, and we have other videos. Check those out as well. All right. And if you're still watching and you made it to the end of this video, we're at this park. I'm actually going to grab the camera right now. This is a bonus for you. All right, so we were out here earlier, and we have a drone, and we flew it through this area over here, and I'm more proud of this drone shot than anything I've ever done in my life. So this video is going to end with this beautiful masterpiece of a drone shot. Mallory's so excited for this. Adios!